So where are we now?
Now we're in Boo Bear's office.
My office. And where are we going?
Now we're going up to
Where
the
are you
attic.
taking us? To the
Stanley
attic.
is so excited
Stanley,
about going to the attic.
you want to go to the attic, Stanley?
There's the other side of the bathroom cabinet.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. So we're in the stairwell.
You coming up?
There's the stairs to the attic. And there's the attic and the chimney. Oh God, the chimney. Everywhere you look, there's another project to be done. So, we have a little bit of insulation sticking out. Always good. Who needs to insulate their house when it's October in Massachusetts? So, a nice cabinet that takes up a little bit of space. Hello! Well, so, what are we going to do to the bathroom? What's our plan?
We're going to rip it out, and we're going to put everything exactly back in its spot.
Just the same
The
stuff?
same stuff.
Why are we doing that? That sounds stupid.
Well, but instead of vinyl tile, we'll have ceramic tile. Instead
Wow, who's going to do all the tiling work?
of... Boo Bear says she's going to.
Woohoo! And we're all hoping that's true.
Yeah.
And what else are we putting in?
We're putting in, instead of an old blue
Lila?
jacuzzi with an old lady handle, we're putting
Well, that's
in
not a jacuzzi.
instead of an old lady bathtub.
There you go.
You know what I mean. Then we're gonna put in a
The
jacuzzi.
people at home don't.
Okay. People are getting dizzy when you're whipping around.
Alright, well, so should we say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
See you in a few days.
Leela, can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Can you say...
Bye-bye.
Say see ya.
Say have fun. Oh, that's right. That's Rudolph. It's a reindeer. Merry Christmas. Alright. See you in a couple days.